We start with an old rusty gate lock. This useless piece of metal is about to be transformed into something completely new. The lever from the lock is cut out. This metal will be the main material for forging the Kris knife. The metal is heated in the fire and hammered again and again. Slowly, it begins to take shape as a blade. A special tool is made to form the traditional wavy pattern of the Kris blade. This design makes the knife unique. Next, the guard is forged. This piece will protect the hand and give the knife balance. The blade is cleaned by sanding and grinding. Rust and rough edges are removed, leaving a smooth surface. The blade is heated to high temperature and quickly cooled. This process hardens the steel, making it strong and durable. A bolster is crafted to join the blade and handle securely, giving the knife strength and stability. The pommel is shaped and ground to complete the back end of the knife. It balances the design and adds weight. Patterns and details are added to the blade and parts, giving the Kris knife its traditional look. The blade goes through a bluing process. This protects the steel from rust and gives it a dark, elegant color. A wooden handle is carved and shaped to fit the knife perfectly. It's smooth, strong, and comfortable to hold. All parts of the knife are buffed and polished, giving them a shiny and professional finish. The blade, guard, bolster, handle, and pommel are all put together. The knife is finally complete. The Kris knife is tested for strength and sharpness. From a rusty old gate lock to a sharp, beautiful weapon, the transformation is complete.